What's up, fishing family? This is Real Time with Tim. I hope you guys are having happy holidays. I wanted to show you guys real quick how I'm getting organized with my fishing gear. I want to give a special shout out to Plusinno for hooking me up with this fishing rod rack. All right, it's up. See how this thing works. Up in there. Get some of my couple other ones here. Put my big caster reel up. Oh wow. Let's put this up. Got a trout rod. Ooh. Up off the ground. Just kind of some random rods here. Oh my goodness. What a great tool to store my rods. This is awesome. Check this out. Big ocean rod. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Plusinno, for helping me. Look at my rod rack. This is crazy. You guys hooked it up. Thank you so much for making my life easier. Yeah, so all my poles are off the ground. They're sitting right here on this awesome Plusinno fishing rod rack. It holds thick poles, thin poles. I have my trout, my bass rod. I even have an ocean rod on there. And yeah, it's just perfect. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for helping me be organized. All right, fishing fam. If you want one of those fishing rod holders, check out the link in my description and use the coupon code there to help you out. Thank you.